To charge your Xiaomi robot vacuum, first of all, there's plenty of options that you can try, and depending on the model, there might be even more options. So here I have the Xiaomi robot vacuum E5, and the way to charge it is basically to take this base station that this device comes along with, and connect this base station to the power using a cable that also comes along with this robot. After that, you can place the base station somewhere to make sure that it's accessible to the robot so it can drive to it, and you can click on the dock option. That way your robot will start detecting a dock, which is this base station, and then it will start charging. Now, if you want to manually charge it, that means manually put a robot on the charging station, you will need to pay attention to the robot metal or magnet charging plugs. So there's two of them right here, and as you can see on the base station, there's also this two plugs. Now you will need to drive your robot or put it manually so it locks in to those two slots. And then if the light is blinking right here, in this case my robot, the base station is not connected to power, but if it starts blinking, then that means it's actually charging. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.